Yes, good evening, dear students. ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ರದ್ದು? Okay. Yes. ಯಾವ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ? Which topic we were discussing yesterday? That is polynomial. Yes, which topic we were discussing? Polynomial. Okay. Yesterday also we learned so many things. That is what do you mean by zeros and how to find out the zeros by graphical representation, right? So graphical method ಇಂದ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು zeros ಅನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ನಿನ್ನೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. Yes, okay. So today we will continue with the next, that is next concept. Yes, yesterday I gave some homework, right? So ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ homework? Yes, all of you ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ homework? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು answer? Tell me the factors of that polynomial. Yes, factors of that polynomial. Okay, these all we covered yesterday. Cubic polynomial and graphical method. Today we will discuss about the relationship between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial. Yes, before going to start the relationship between zeros and coefficient of a polynomial, first I want yesterday's answer. Yes, I want yesterday's homework. Homework ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? So ಅದರ answer ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ. I want that factors. Okay, very fine. Fine answers. Okay, very good students. Yes, I think all of you did your homework. Yes, okay. Good evening. Yes, good evening to all of you. Today we will discuss about the relationship between zeros and coefficient of a polynomial. Yes, relationship between zeros. Zeros means what? Yes, we know already what do you mean by zeros, right? So zeros andre ಏನು? That we know. In which value of the x our polynomial p of x will become 0, that x value we call it as a zero of that polynomial, right? So now ninne nodidve, yesterday we discussed, that is what do you mean by zero. Okay, for linear polynomial, how many zeros it has? Yes, dear students, for linear polynomial, how many zeros it has? Yes, fast, quick. For linear polynomial, how many zeros it has? For linear polynomial, only one zero. For quadratic polynomial, it has two zeros, right? For cubic polynomial, it has maximum 3. Less than 3 is also possible. Therefore, we call it as a maximum 3 or at most 3, right? Then, see, alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. I think all of you screen ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ? ಮುಂಚೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನನಗೆ. All of you able to see the screen? Yes, am I audible? Am I audible? Okay. Yes. So alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial p of x. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Sorry, ax square plus bx plus c, only a polynomial, is equal to 0 idre, that we will call it as an equation. So equal to 0 irbardu polynomial alli. Okay, a is not equal to 0. X minus alpha and x minus beta are the factors of p of x. Yes, illi ನಾವು alpha ಮತ್ತೆ beta ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, right? So this one we call it as a alpha and this we call it as a beta. So ಈ ತರ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ this is alpha and this is beta. Okay, now we are going to find out the zeros for quadratic polynomial, right? Which polynomial? Quadratic polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c. This is the standard form of quadratic polynomial where a is not equal to 0. This is the condition, right? If a becomes 0, it becomes linear. Therefore, A is not equal to 0. X minus alpha and X minus beta are the factors of P of X. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Factors of P of X. Yes. So, I think you people may know what do you mean by factors. Factors ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. Right? So we'll take one example. ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Find the factors of this polynomial. Okay. X square plus 7x plus 10 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So I want to find out the factors of this quadratic polynomial. First check whether it is a quadratic polynomial. How to check? Compare this polynomial with the standard form of the quadratic polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c. ಹೌದಾ? ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಪಾಲಿನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ a means nothing is there means 1. So 1x square 7x, 7 means it is b, and 10 it is constant term. So it is matching with standard form. ಹೌದಾ? ax square plus bx plus c, it is a quadratic polynomial. Next, how to find out the factors? Yes, dear students, how to find out the factors? By factorization method. Yes, factorization method means what? ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ factorization method ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ. x square plus 7x plus 10. So first what we will do? A into c. A means 1, nothing is there means 1. 1 into 10. This is A, this is B, and this is C. First, what we will do? A into C. A into C means 1 into 10. That is 10. So, 10 factors ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗೆ? So, if product is 10, right? So, product is 10. Now, take two numbers such that product should be 10 and sum should be 7. ನೀವು ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋತೀರಾ. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಸಮ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 7 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ದಟ್ ಟೂ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ದಟ್ ಟೂ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. 10. So by multiplying two numbers I can get 10, and by adding that two numbers only I can get 7. So tell me that numbers. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಈಗ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? Yes, very good. Very fine answer. 2 and 5. 2 5s are 10. 2 plus 5 it is 7. Very good students. Okay. X square plus 7x plus 10. Okay. X square plus 7x can be written as 2x plus 5x plus 10. So make two groups, that is one is x square plus 2x and 5x plus 10. So between these two, which one is common? X is common, right? So take x outside. What remains in the bracket? X square ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು x ಅನ್ನ ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. So what remains in the bracket? Only x, right? Plus ಈ x ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. So what remains here? Only 2 remains. That is x plus 2. Here 5x plus 10. 10 can be written as 2 into 5, right? Here also 5 is there and here also 5 is there. So I will take 5 as common. ನಾನು 5 ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ. Right. What remains here? Only x plus here 2. Right? 2 remains. X plus 2. One factor is x plus 2, x plus 2. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ same ಬಂತು. So I will write x plus 2. Next, x plus 5, x plus 5. So this is another factor. X plus 2, x plus 5. So these x plus 2 and x plus 5, it is called as factors of this polynomial. What we call factors of this polynomial. See, if I equate, observe carefully, if I equate x plus 2 is equal to 0, x plus 5 is 0, what will happen? transfer this plus to this side, then x is equal to minus 2. Transfer this 5 to this side, it becomes x is equal to minus 5, right? So now I got two values, that is x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 5. This we call it as a alpha and this I will call it as a beta. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಒಂದು ನೇಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಏನಂತ? alpha, and another one I will call it as a beta. Have you understood? Okay, so alpha and beta. Okay, now so alpha and beta, these two are the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ alpha ಮತ್ತು beta ಅಂತ two values ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, this we call it as a zeros of this quadratic polynomial. Which polynomial? This p of x, or you may call it as a f of x. P of x is equal to e polynomial in the zeros, that is x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 5. So alpha and beta, two zeros we got. So see this factor x plus 2 and x plus 5, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? This is in the form x minus alpha and x minus beta ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, x minus alpha and x minus beta. So alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. Why we call this as the zeros of the polynomial? If you substitute minus 2 to polynomial, if you substitute minus 2 to the polynomial, then our polynomial value will become 0. So try mad nodri. If you substitute minus 5 to the polynomial p of x, illi ನೀವು minus 5 ಅನ್ನ substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆವಾಗ then also you will get 0. So try ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನ. So x is equal to minus 2, substitute x value as minus 2 in the polynomial, you will get 0. X is equal to minus 5, substitute the value of x is equal to minus 5 to in the polynomial, that is x square iddale minus x 5 anta substitute madri, then you will get 0. Therefore we call quadratic polynomial has two zeros, right? So what our concept is, see, alpha and beta are two zeros. Okay, so I think all of you understood what do you mean by alpha and beta. Alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial. Yes, so sum of zeros, if I add that zeros, nan alpha plus beta ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Okay, minus b by a, and product of zeros is product of zeros. 0 is alpha and beta. Product means multiply alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Okay, now you guys tell me what do you mean by b by a? b ಮತ್ತೆ a ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು? ಇವು ಏನಿವು b ಮತ್ತೆ a ಏನಿದು? Yes, this b and a, these are the coefficients, right? These are the coefficients. Yaudara coefficients? These are the coefficients of quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so b is the coefficient of x and a is the coefficient of x square, right? And c is a constant term and a is the coefficient of x square, right? Therefore I will write it as, okay, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Minus b is the coefficient of, yes, what do you mean by coefficient? That you know. So if I write 3x plus 1, what is the coefficient of x? It is 3. If I write 5x square minus 7x plus 9, what is the coefficient of x square? It is 5. It is a coefficient of x is minus 7. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಎನಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್, that constant term we call it as a coefficient, right? Okay, now b means what? It is the coefficient of x, ax square plus bx plus c. This is the standard form. A is coefficient of x square, B is coefficient of x, and C is constant term, right? Minus, keep as it is, minus coefficient of, it is coefficient of x. Okay, next, A means it is coefficient of x square, right? So alpha into beta is equal to C divided by A. C means it is constant term and A is coefficient of x square, right? Understood? Coefficient of x square, C is a constant term. Yes, ನಮಗೆ alpha and beta ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. B means what, A means what, C means what, A means what, that we know. But now alpha plus beta is equal to minus B by A ಅಂತಾನೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರೆದ್ವಿ? So why it is like this only. ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಇದೇ ತರ ಬರಿತೀವಿ, ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ? Because this we are finding the relationship between these zeros and the coefficient of the quadratic polynomial. Then if you add two zeros, ನೀವು two zeros ಅನ್ನ add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that value is equal to ನೀವು ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಬೈ ಎ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ವಾಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಬೋತ್. ಅವಾಗ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ alpha plus beta and value of minus b by a, both are same. So this relation tells us both are same. Yavaga, when you add two zeros, that value, and when you do the calculation of minus b by a, that value, both are same. This relation meaning adane helatte. Okay. Product of zeros. Product of zeros means what? Alpha into beta. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, zeros ಅನ್ನ multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Alpha into beta is equal to. So if you do alpha into beta, whatever you will get the value, that value is equal to ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, C divided by A. C means what? Constant term divided by coefficient of A. So divide ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನ್ value ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ, what value you will get, the both values are same. So this relation tells us alpha into beta is equal to C divided by A. So ಹೇಗ್ ಬಂತು derivation I will show you. Okay, but don't worry about the derivation. No one will ask you about the derivation. ನಿಮಗೆ derivation ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. Only you have to remember the formula, but I will show the derivation. Okay, about the quadratic polynomial. Yes. See, this is about the quadratic polynomial. I think any doubt? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, then ask me. Okay. See, before going to derive the alpha plus beta, first we will see the relationship between zeros of and coefficient of cubic polynomial. Okay. Let us consider cubic polynomial. We know the standard form of cubic polynomial. Yes, that is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus t, right? Illi, here the variable power is x cube. Cube means what? Cubic it is. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. How many zeros you will get? In case of cubic polynomial, dear children, how many zeros you will get? Yes. How many zeros you will get? Okay. How many zeros you will get? 3 zeros. That is alpha, beta, and gamma. Okay. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. So I will show one example. Then you will come to know. Okay. Wait for the example. Alpha, beta, gamma are the 3 zeros. So in case of cubic polynomial, we are having 3 zeros. That is alpha, beta, and gamma are the zeros of the cubic polynomial. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Then alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Just remember, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Alpha, beta, gamma, that is product of 3 zeros, that is constant term b minus d divided by a, and alpha into beta, beta into gamma, gamma into alpha, it is c divided by a. Just remember the relation. Okay. Okay. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ you have doubt. Okay. 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 So I will solve some examples. Then you will come to know. See, first ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b divided by a ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. Okay. So we will see the derivation of alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. When we will solve some examples, then you will come to know the calculation of alpha plus beta. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ one thing ಏನ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, alpha and beta are two zeros. When you add two zeros, minus b divided by a, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b divided by a. Alpha into beta is equal to c divided by a. Ishtu you have to keep in your mind, right? Okay. So now we'll see the derivation. First correct agi nodri, then ask me the question. Andre examples anna solve ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you will come to know. See, we know x minus alpha and x minus beta are the factors of quadratic polynomial, that p of x. Here p of x is quadratic polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c. So x minus alpha and x minus beta are the factors of quadratic polynomial. Okay. Next, what I will do, here p of x is equal to x minus alpha and x minus beta. P of x means ax square plus bx plus c is equal to x minus alpha, x minus beta. Now, what I will do, I will take one constant term, that is k, and I will multiply this k to both the factors. K ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಈ ಎರಡು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, just observe carefully. K into x minus alpha, x minus beta. K into what I did, I took one constant, that is k. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, multiply this k to both the factors, k into x minus alpha and x minus beta. So what will happen, x into k into x minus beta minus alpha into x minus beta. ಒಂದು ಸಾರ್ತಿ k x ಅನ್ನ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಲ್ಫಾವನ್ನ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ x into x minus beta minus alpha into x minus beta. Right? Okay. Yes. Next, k into x into x square, x into minus beta, that is x beta, minus alpha into x minus into minus plus alpha into beta, alpha beta. Right? Now, k is equal to k into x square and x, alpha into beta. So between these two, which one is common? X is common, because x square illide, x illide, so x is common. X I will take out. X ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, what remains in the bracket, x minus beta minus, here also, here alpha is common. Okay, here also alpha is there and here also alpha is there. So I will take alpha as common. What remains in the bracket? X plus into minus minus wait. Yes, wait. So one thing, nan matte bere munde hode. Okay. So sorry. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ k into x square. So between these two, x beta and x alpha, which is common? X is common, right? So I will take x common. What remains in the bracket? Beta minus into minus plus alpha and minus into minus, it is plus. So plus alpha into beta. Okay. X square minus x beta plus alpha into beta. K into x square minus, so alpha x into beta plus alpha is same as alpha plus beta. Beta plus alpha matte alpha plus beta. Eradu same agate. So alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Right? So remember this relation. This is very, very important. Okay. K into x square. K enna bitbidri. Remember this relation, x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. So remember this expression. This is very, very important in problem solving. So ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ problems ಅನ್ನ solve ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, there we are using this expression, x square minus alpha plus beta into x, or you can say x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. That is x square minus sum of the zeros anta karitivi. Okay. Next, k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Right? Now, ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Multiply this k to all the terms. ಎಲ್ಲಾ terms ಜೊತೆಗೆ k ಅನ್ನ multiply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. k into x square minus k into alpha plus beta into x plus k into alpha beta. Okay. K x square minus k into alpha plus beta into x plus k alpha beta. Understood? ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Now, compare this expression with standard form of polynomial. That is, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ? Standard form of polynomial ಜೊತೆಗೆ compare ಮಾಡೋಣ. That is ax square plus bx plus c. Right? So what is a now? Here x square is there, here x is there, and here one constant term is there. So x square na bittu a means what here? A means what? A means k, b means k into alpha plus beta, and c is k into alpha beta. A is equal to k. So ಇದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. a ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ? k ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ. b k into alpha plus beta. Right? So x, here also x is there, here also x is there. So x bit x ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಇದೆ? Okay, that is minus k alpha plus beta. c means what? c ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ? c is k into alpha beta. K into alpha beta. Right? Now, a is equal to k. Observe carefully. Na ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸತಿ explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. K, a is equal to k. B is equal to minus k into alpha plus beta. C is equal to k alpha beta. Up to this. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yes. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. Transfer this k to this side. What will become? What means ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ? What will happen? A is equal to k minus b divided by k is equal to alpha plus beta. C is, transfer this k to this side. It becomes c divided by k. That is equal to alpha into beta. That means minus b divided by k. Observe the value of k. K is equal to k ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ equal ಆಗಿದೆ? a ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. therefore k is equal to a. so k ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು a ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. minus b, wait, I will change the color. minus b divided by k. k means a. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿತೀನಿ? minus b divided by a is equal to alpha plus beta, and c divided by k means what? Again it is a. k ಅಂದ್ರೆ a, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, k is equal to a. so k ಅನ್ನ a ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. that is equal to alpha into beta. okay, so now I got two relations, that is alpha plus beta. alpha into beta illide nodri, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. alpha into beta is equal to c divided by a. so ide nama relation allide. alpha plus beta is equal to minus b divided by a. alpha into beta is equal to c divided by a. okay, some one ನಿಮಿಷ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ, ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ ಬೇಡ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ quadratic polynomial. We are finding the relation of zeros with the coefficients of quadratic polynomial. Yes, clear. Quadratic polynomial means p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Is that clear? Ishtu clear aita? Okay. This quadratic polynomial has how many zeros? 2 zeros. That zeros means it has two factors. Two factors anna yava form alli irutte? x minus alpha and x minus beta. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಇದು? ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು x+2 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, x+3 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಅವಾಗ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿತ್ 0, ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ zeros, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಈ x+2 x+3 ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ x-2 x-3 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ. that is called as factors. ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಾ? that are called as factors. so how many factors it has? It has two factors. Why? Because this is a quadratic polynomial. Therefore, it has two factors, that is x minus alpha and x minus beta. Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay. Next, p of x is equal. ಈಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? p of x is equal to x minus alpha, x minus beta. Only we are taking two factors. ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ factors ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ factors ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. p of x means what? We are considering quadratic polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c. x minus alpha, x minus beta, right as it is. So next step in ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, I will take one constant. So one constant term ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಏನಂತ? ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಗೆ k ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋಣ. So I will call this constant term as k. k ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಎರಡೂ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. k into x minus alpha, x minus beta, right? Next, ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ x minus alpha ಮತ್ತೆ x minus beta ವನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? x into x minus beta, alpha into x minus beta. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹೀಗೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. x minus alpha, x into x minus beta minus alpha into x minus beta. ಇಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, so what will happen? X into x, it is x square. X into beta minus x into beta. So that is x beta. Minus alpha into x, it is minus alpha x. Minus into minus, it is plus. Alpha into beta, it is alpha into beta. Alpha beta. Is that clear? Illivargu clear aita? Next, k into x square, write x square as it is. Observe these two terms, x into beta minus alpha into x, or you can call x alpha. x beta mattu alpha x ಅಥವಾ x alpha ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ between x beta and minus x alpha? x is common. So I will take x outside. x ಅನ್ನ ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗಿತೀರಾ. What remains in the bracket? Here beta minus and minus, minus into minus, it is plus. So alpha, beta plus alpha beta, right as it is. ಈಗ x square minus x into write beta plus alpha is alpha plus beta. Rewrite ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So rewrite ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Plus alpha into beta. Next. So ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪ, ಆ ಕೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ, ಅದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಕೆ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಕೆ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬೀಟಾ, ಕೆ ಇಂಟು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕೆ ಇಂಟು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಬೀಟಾ. ರೈಟ್? ನೌ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ವಿತ್ standard form of quadratic polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c. So x square andre illu x square ide, x ide. So c, it is a constant term. C is equal to this k into alpha beta, constant term. K is equal to a. Coefficient of x square is a. Coefficient of x square is k. Therefore a is equal to k. B value ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ? B means coefficient of x. Coefficient of x ಏನಿದೆ? minus k into alpha plus beta ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So write B is equal to minus k alpha plus beta. What is C? C means k into alpha beta. Right? K into alpha beta. Now observe carefully. K is equal to A or A is equal to K. K value is A. How the A is equal to K anta ide. Transfer this K to this side. It becomes B divided by A. ಅದ್ ಕೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಕೆ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬೀಟಾ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಿ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೆ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕೆ, not alpha beta, only k I am transferring. K illi bandre it becomes c divided by k, right? So we know the value of k, that is a. Write a in place of k. B divided by a is equal to alpha plus beta, and c divided by k means a is equal to k, that is alpha into beta. So we got two relations, that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b divided by a, and alpha into beta is equal to c divided by a. Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay. So when now ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, then ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. Okay. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. So in exam also, they will ask like this only. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient. So for that, you need to remember the relationship between zeros and coefficient. That is alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, right? So first one ಏನಿದೆ? x square minus 2x minus 8 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Yes, x square minus 2x minus 8. Yes, dear children. So to find out the factors, first check whether it is a quadratic polynomial. Yes, miss, it is a quadratic polynomial. Why? Ax square plus bx plus c. It is in the form ax square plus bx plus c, right? A means 1, b means minus 2, c means minus 8. Is that clear? It is a quadratic polynomial. Yes. Next, in order to find out the factors for quadratic polynomial, which method you will use? Factorization method. So factorization method hang ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? A into c, that is 1 into 8. 8. So ಮತ್ತೆ 2 numbers ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Take 2 numbers such that product should be 8 and sum ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ? minus 2 ಬರಬೇಕು. Tell me that 2 numbers. Yes. Okay. Yes, very good. 4 and 2. 4 2s are 8 and minus 4 plus 2. ಯಾವ sign ಹಾಕಬೇಕು? Which signs I will put? That is also very important. See, 4 plus 2, 6. Minus 4 minus 2, minus 6, right? So ನನಗೇನ್ ಬೇಕು? I want minus 2. For that, I have to put 4. 4 ಗೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಸೈನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? minus. Why? Because 4 is a big number. minus 4 plus 2. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, right? So x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. 4 minus 2, it is 2. So big number 4 is the 4 sign is minus. So minus 2. Between these two, which is common? Which one is common? X is common. So x anna horak tagiri. I will take x outside. X square alli ಒಂದು x ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ what remains in the bracket? X minus 4, right? Plus. So between these two, 2x minus 8. 8 can be written as 4 into 2. Here also 2 is there. Here also 2 is there. So I will take 2 outside. What remains in the bracket? X minus 4. Right? So here also x minus 4 is there. Here also x minus 4 is there. So x minus 4, one factor. Another factor is x plus 2. X plus 2. Okay, now I got two factors. So factors siktu, but namagen beku, zeros beku. So in order to find out the zeros, what I will do? Equate these factors to 0. Then you will get zeros, right? So x minus 4 is equal to 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0, right? X minus 4 is equal to 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0. So illi baradre kanisalla anta helidri. Minus 4, transfer this minus 4 to this side. It becomes x is equal to 4 plus 2. Transfer this plus 2 to this side. It becomes minus 2, right? So now I got two zeros, right? One is x is equal to 4. Another one is x is equal to minus 2. Now, dear children, ನಾನು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ? ಏನಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕಿದನ್ನ? ಪಾಪ ಇವಕ್ಕೆ ಎರಡು ಎಂದು ಹೆಸರಿಡೋಣ. ಏನಂತ ಹೆಸರಿಡೋಣ? This is alpha and this is beta, right? So now value of alpha is, yes, value of alpha is 4 and value of beta is minus 2. Clear? Is that clear? Illivargu niಮಗೆ clear ಆಯ್ತಾ? If you have any doubt, then ask me. Okay. Now verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficient. We know the formula for formula of relationship between zeros and coefficient. That is alpha, sum of zeros and sum of zeros, alpha plus beta. Sum means alpha plus beta is equal to, what is the formula? Minus b divided by a, right? So minus b divided by a. Minus b is minus coefficient of x square, sorry, x, and a means it is the coefficient of x square. B means coefficient of x and a is coefficient of x square, right? Alpha is how much here? What is the value of alpha? 4 plus alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta na first calculate madana. Alpha value is 4. Beta value is minus 2 plus minus 2 is equal to minus b divided by a. Minus b. So b value is how much here? What is the value of b, dear children? It is minus 2, right? B ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? So compare this polynomial with the standard form of quadratic polynomial. A is 1, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 2, C is equal to minus 8, right? C is equal to minus 8. Minus B divided by 8. So minus, it is there in the formula. So write minus as it is. B value is minus 2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ B value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Minus 2, right? Divided by a value is 1, x square. Nothing is there means 1. 1. 4 plus into minus. Minus 2 is equal to minus into minus plus 2. 2 divided by 1 means it is 2 only. 4 minus 2. 2. 4 minus 2, it is 2, is equal to 2. So, observe carefully. Alpha plus beta value is 2. Minus b divided by a is 2. So, both are matching. Right? ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಹೇಳತ್ತೆ ಏನಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಾನೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 2. ಅಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬೀಟಾ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಸಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಅಂಡ್ observe both the values, they will be match, means averadu same iratte, both the values are same, therefore it is verified. ಏನಂತ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? verified. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. this is in case of sum. in case of product, so product of zeros is equal to, product of zeros means alpha into beta. Don't get confused. Sum means alpha plus beta. Product means alpha into beta. Formula is alpha into beta is equal to C divided by A. Okay. Alpha means, what is the value of alpha here? 4. Beta minus 2. Yes, dear children, tell me the value of C. C ಏನಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ? C is equal to minus 8, right? So minus 8 minus 8, what is the value of A? A is 1, x square, means coefficient of x square, that is 1, 8 divided by 1. So 4 into minus 2, it is 4 2 is 8, plus into minus, 4 means nothing is there means plus. Plus into minus. Minus 8 is equal to minus 8. Right? Here also both the values are same. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? alpha into beta is equal to C divided by A. ನೀವು alpha into beta zeros ಅನ್ನ multiply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ, that value is equal to the whatever value you will get by calculating C divided by A. ನಿಮಗೆ C ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಬೋತ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್, ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಇಂಟು ಬೀಟಾ ಸಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಈ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಡೂ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್? ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. I will not explain it once again. So by using factorization method, you will find out factors. So after finding the factors, what you will do? Zeros and find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. How you are going to find out zeros? You will equate that factors to 0. X minus 4 is equal to 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0. Transfer this minus 4 to this side. It becomes x is equal to 4. X is equal to plus 2. Transfer this 2 to this side. It becomes minus 2, right? Alpha into next minus 2. So call this as alpha and this as beta. Now sum of zeros means alpha plus beta minus b divided by a. Alpha value is 4, beta value is minus 2. 4 plus minus 2 hengide hange barkodre. Minus b, minus keep as it is. It is there in the formula, so don't change it. Minus hengide hange barkodre. Now observe the value of b, that is minus 2. So minus 2 divided by what is the value of x square, means that is a value is 1. Plus into minus, minus 4 minus 2, it is 2. Minus into minus plus 2 divided by 1, it is 2. Therefore both the values are same. It is verified. So similarly we will check in case of product. Alpha into beta is equal to C divided by A. Alpha is 4, beta is minus 2. C value is how much here? Minus 8. Minus 8 divided by 1, that is 4 into 2. Minus 8 is equal to minus 8. So here also both the values are same. Therefore it is verified. Finally, ನೀವೇನಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು? It is verified. Or you may say relation holds, right? It holds the relation. Next. So next problem. Tell me the factors. Yes, dear children. Past. Tell me the factors of next problem. 4s square minus 4s minus 1. So what we will do? First check whether it is a quadratic polynomial. Yes, it is in the form ax square plus bx plus c. Right? A value is 4, b value is minus 4 and c value is minus 1. So, ishtu namage gottirbeku. Now, by using factorization method, find out the factors. A into c, a value is 4, c value is 1. So, a into c, that is minus 4. 4 into 1, 4. So, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಟೇಕ್ ಟೂ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಸಚ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 4 ಅಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ minus 4. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋತೀರಾ? ವಿಚ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್? minus 2 into minus 2. 2 2s are 4. minus 2 minus 2. It will become minus 4. So 2 2 ಅನ್ನ add ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ because minus minus is there. So minus 4s square minus 2s minus 2s minus 1. Right? Now, take common between these two. Which one is common? 2s is common. Yes or no, children? 2s is common. Why? Because 4 can be written as 2 into 2. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Here also 2 is there. Here also 2 is there. S square means s into s. So 1s I will take common. 2s. What remains in the bracket? 2s minus 2s already I have taken common. So 1. ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. 2s ಅನ್ನ already ನೀವು ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. So what remains here? Nothing is there means 1. ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. So keep in your mind. Right? Next, minus. So here 2s is there and 1 is there. So which is ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ? Yes, dear children. 2s minus 1. What is common here? 2 can be written as 2 into 1. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ what you are going to write here? Here also 1 is there. Here also 1 is there. Therefore, I will take 1 common. Right? 1, 2s minus into minus. Sorry. No, it is plus. Sorry. It is plus. Okay. So minus hakidre tappagate plus. Right? It is plus. Okay. My plus into minus. Minus 2s minus 1. Now 2s minus 1. 2s minus 1. 2s minus 1. So we got two factors, that is 2s minus 1, 2s minus 1. Next, find out the zeros. How we are going to find out the zeros? 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. Transfer this minus 1 to this side. 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. Transfer this minus 1 to this side. It becomes 2s is equal to plus 1. 2s is equal to, transfer this minus 1 to this side, it becomes 1. So s is equal to, transfer this 2 to this side, 2s. It is in the form of multiplication. So idi kade bandre divide agatte. 1 divided by 2. Here also same. 2, when you shift this 2 to this side, it becomes 1 divided by 2. Therefore, I am getting 2 zeros. S is equal to 1 by 2. S is equal to 1 by 2. So 1, 0 1 alpha anta call madri. Alpha is equal to 1 divided by 2. Another 0 I will call it as beta. That is beta value is 1 divided by 2. Yes, over. One part is over. Next, we are verifying. We are going to verify the relation. That is alpha plus beta. Sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros. Yes, dear children, tell me the formula. Alpha plus beta is equal to, remember, minus b divided by a. Yes or no? Minus b divided by a. Yes, alpha value is how much? It is 1 divided by 2. Now, what is the value of beta? 1 divided by 2 alpha plus beta. So illu kuda values anna hakbeku. Alpha value is 1 divided by 2 and beta value is 1 divided by 2 is equal to minus. Keep minus as it is. So don't get confused. So ಬಹಳ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡೋದು. Okay, minus ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Next, observe the value of b. Value of b is minus 4. Okay, minus 4 divided by a value is 4, right? So a value is 4 here. Okay, now 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. Denominator is same, means no need to take LCM. 2 only. 1 plus 1, it is 1 plus 1, it is 2. Okay, directly I will write 2. Next, minus into minus, plus. Plus 4 divided by 4. 2 ones are 2 ones are 4 ones are 4 ones are, right? So 1 is equal to 1. Namage alpha plus beta is equal to minus b divided by a. Same banta. Is it same on both sides? Yes. Next, it is verified. Next, we will check in case of product. That is alpha into beta. Product alpha into beta is equal to c divided by a. Okay, here I will write alpha value is 1 divided by 2 into beta. Beta is 1 divided by 2. C value is, what is the value of c here, dear children? Minus 1. Okay. You know, it is c value is plus here. So I have changed here. Okay, c value is plus. Okay. C is plus divided by a value is 4. So observe here, a value is 4. 1 divided by 4. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, it is 4. 1 divided by 4 is equal to 1 divided by 4. So illu kuda both the values are matching. Both the values are same. Therefore, the relation holds or it is verified. Okay, finally, you are going to write verified. Verified relation is verified or relation holds antanu baribodu. Okay, understood? Any doubt is there? Okay, next problem solve madana. Innu perfect agtira. So what is the, yes, observe carefully. 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Yes. Tell me a into c. A into c. See, it is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x anta ide. A into c madidre what value I will get? Yes, dear children, what value I will get? A into c. Yes. A into c madidre. Yes, very good. We should write in the form of standard form of quadratic polynomial, that is 6x square. See, 6x square minus 3 minus 7x anta ide. So standard form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, right? ಈಗ 6x square minus 3 minus 7x ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೇಕು? ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಮಿಡಲ್, ರೈಟ್? 7x ಈಸ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೇಕು? ಮಿಡಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದೀಸ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್. Okay, variable powers can be written in the form of decreasing order. So it can be written in decreasing order. X square andale x raised to 1 baratte. Next x raised to 0 baratte. 6x square, transfer this 7 to this side, means rewrite 7x -3. ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. Then it will be in the form of in the standard form. Okay, 6x square bx means 7x. C constant term is -3. Therefore, A is 6 here, B is -7 and C is 3. Over. So correct aita. Now tell me, what is the value of A into C? 6 into 3. 6 3s are 18. Right. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, observe carefully. 6A 6 C 3 6 3s are 18. Factorization method ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, that you know already, right? Okay, so 18. Now I will take two numbers. ಈ two numbers ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋತೀರಾ. ಆ numbers ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಆ numbers ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you should get 18. And if you add that numbers or subtract, ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಆರ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ -7. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ -7 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 18 ಬರಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ನೌ? ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಡಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ವಿಚ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್? Yes. Which numbers I have to take in order to get the sum as -7 and product as 18? ಯಾವ numbers ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾನು? Yes, very good. Very fine answer. 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. 9 minus 2, it is 7. So -9 plus 2. Then it will become -7. Therefore, 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. Yes or no, children? Next, 6x square minus 9x, 2x minus 3. So, ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 6x square plus 2x minus 9 ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ, -9 minus 3. Okay, now 6x square plus 2x. ಏನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ? What is the common between these two? See, 6 can be written as 2 into 3, right? 2 is there, here also 2 is there, x square, x is there, x is there. So 2x anna common agi tegibodu. So I will take 2x common. What remains in the bracket? 3. X square ali 1x already I have taken common. 1x remains plus 2x. Complete 2x anna correct tegidivi. What remains in the bracket? Only 1, right? 9x 3. So 9x and 3. 9 can be written as 3 into 3. 3 3 is a 9. Here also 3 is there and here also 3 is there. So I will take 3 common. What remains in the bracket? 3x, right? 3x. So 3 already I have taken common. So nothing is there means 1 is there. Minus into minus plus 1. 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1. 2 factors. So illu 3x plus 1 ide, illu 3x plus 1 ide. That means I will write 3x plus 1, 1 factor. Another factor is 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. Okay. Now 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Equate this factor 0. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Transfer this 1 to this side. 3x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to, transfer this 3 to this side. It becomes minus 1 divided by 3. Right? Here also transfer this minus 3 to this side. 2x is equal to 3. Transfer this 2 to this side. Illi minus 3 ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. 2 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ x is equal to 3 divided by 2. So this is the value of alpha and this is the value of beta. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇವಾಗ? ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಬೀಟಾವನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ zeros, product of zeros, right? So sum of zeros means what? plus alpha plus beta is equal to minus b divided by a. Yes or no, dear children? Sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b divided by a. Alpha value is minus 1 divided by 3 plus beta value is 3 divided by 2. So 3 divided by 2 is equal to minus, keep as it is. Adu neenu change madbedri. B value, observe B value. What is the value of B here? It is 7, minus 7, right? So minus 7 divided by A value is 6, right? Next, 3 and 2. In the denominator, 3 and 2 is there. So I need to take LCM. So 3 2s are 6. So 6 ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು 3 ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 3 into 2, 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 3, right? 3 2s are 6, 2 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Minus 1 into 2, it is minus 2 plus 3 3s are 9. Okay, now minus into minus 7. So minus into minus, it is plus 7 divided by 6. Now observe carefully. Here minus 2 is there. Here 9 is there. So 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. Inagate 7. 7 divided by 6 is equal to 7 divided by 6. Are they same? Are they verified? Same ide. So it is verified. Yes. So product check madana. Product of the zeros, that is alpha into beta, is equal to C divided by A. Now observe carefully. What is the value of alpha? It is minus 1 divided by 3 into, it is product, that is into 3 divided by 2 is equal to. Now dear children, tell me what is the value of C? C is equal to minus 3 here. Yes or no? Minus 3. C is equal to minus 3. So don't get confused. Minus 3 and minus anna bidbedri. Yavaga minus iratte adan hange tagond barri. Bittu barabedri. Okay. So now minus anna tagond barana. Elli vargu tagond barana. C value anna minus 3 anta hakana. So ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪಾಪ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಡ ಮಿಸ್, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಬೇಡ, ಅದನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ? ಸೊ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಪ್ಪಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ minus 3 divided by A value is 6. Therefore 1 into minus 3 minus 1, sorry, minus 1 into 3, 3 into 1, minus 3, 3 1s are 3, minus divided by 3 2s are 6 is equal to minus 3 divided by 6. 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 1s are 3 2s are minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to minus 1 divided by 2. Both the values are same. Are they same? Yes, it is same. So eradu values same aita. Therefore relation is verified. Yes or no? Relation is verified. Okay, or relation holds anta ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Yes. So in today's class, what we discussed, relationship between zeros and coefficient. Coefficient andre enu, zeros andre enu. So zeros we call it as alpha and beta. Coefficient means that you know A, B, C are the coefficient of x square. X, C is a constant term. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus B divided by A. Alpha into beta is equal to C divided by A. So by using this formula only, we are going to solve some examples. This is very, very important in order to your examination is concerned. Okay, ನಿಮ್ಮ examination ಗೆ this is very, very important concept. So 2 marks ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, equate it with 0, then you will get zeros, alpha and beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus B by A. alpha into beta is equal to C divided by A. Only this much is there. Nothing is there. Yes, understood. So, I hope ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. Yes or no? Yes. Yes, very good students. Okay. Tomorrow we will continue with the next. Another one thing. So here they have given quadratic expression, means these quadratic polynomial. Okay. Next concept, they will give alpha plus beta and sum and product they will give, and what they will ask, find the quadratic polynomial by using these zeros. Okay, by using these zeros, this is alpha plus beta and this is alpha into beta, right? So by using zeros, we are going to find out the quadratic polynomial, means quadratic expression, quadratic polynomial anna now baribeku by using this sum and product. That we will discuss in the next class. Okay. Yes, dear children. Okay. Tea kudiri elru, evening aaytu. Okay. Okay. Shall we stop today's session? Okay. Bye. Take care. Bye. Chana study madri. Okay.